Alright guys, day 2. Bring my license, everything down here. So, prove that everything's valid. Let's go in. Good morning. May I speak with the traffic supervisor, please? Kevin Bradley? Alright, thank you.
Mr. Bradley, how you doing?
Yes. Can you identify yourself, please?
That's Corporal Bradley.
And the name and date. Can you give me a name and date and time, please?
Well, you can do that since you're recording.
Well, I want you because this is the second time I'm down here.
You need to leave here now, though.
For what?
You're not allowed to videotape.
Oh, yes, I can. This is public area right here. It's public area.
Okay, but you're coming here harassing us all the time.
Because you guys are fucking harassing me.
Okay,
alright?
so because you're coming here harassing us, I don't have to let you here.
How am I harassing you by coming down here and asking you questions?
Leave the door right now. Leave.
Or what?
Leave.
Or what?
You'll be physically removed.
I'm coming down here to talk about this because I was pulled over illegally for this bullshit. But you guys think to suck each other cop dicks, don't you?
Over?
Because I have no idea. Because Trooper Thompson he's biased against me because I got him in trouble before. Okay. So, and when he pulled me over, I asked for a supervisor. He refused to give me a supervisor, and he wrote me up for not giving him any of my identification.
Okay.
And
you know what I'll do for you?
What?
I'll go look at the video from the car to see if he's harassing you at all, okay?
How does that mean anything harassing me? No, see, I asked for a supervisor, and he gave me citations for not giving my information when I wanted a supervisor. I would give information to him.
All right, well, now you have a supervisor. So you're making a complaint to me about Trooper Thompson, correct?
Yes.
Okay,
well, I'm just here to show you that all my information is valid.
Okay, I just don't appreciate being videotaped. You know what I mean? Would you like
well,
somebody
you
videotape you?
You guys are videotape all the time, don't you? You got dash cams and body cams, don't you?
No.
Yeah.
We have car cameras. We don't have body
You have dash cams and everything.
Yeah, we're required to do that. So, but I don't like when I go.
I am legally allowed. This is constitutionally protected activity to film you.
But if
you guys don't like people exercising their rights? You guys can think you don't like you exercise your rights? You guys are fucking fascist pegs, is what you are.
Okay. If you raise your hand at me one more time, you're going to be physically removed from here. Okay.
That's assault.
What I'm trying to explain to you is that when I go to a scene and stuff, I'm not videotaping people there.
So you're saying that's why he pulled me over? So you're saying that's why he pulled me over because I was filming people? That's why
I don't know because I haven't talked to him. All I'm saying is I don't appreciate you videotaping now. So leave unless you want to sit here and talk to me.
I'm documenting this because I'm bringing down my information to prove that all my stuff's valid. You see, it's valid, right?
Listen, what did I say?
Because when I take this to court, I said I go to you, I'm taking this to court.
I already told you I'm going to entertain you. I'm going to look at the video and look into it. Make sure he wasn't harassing you, correct? I'm going to do that.
Correct, okay, but like I said.
So why are you still videotaping me?
Law says I got to come down here and show you my stuff valid on the law.
Okay. Well, what I'm doing is saying is you can't videotape us in here.
I can videotape in here.
Don't
fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me, pal. Don't fucking. That's assault. That is a fucking assault. Go ahead, do it again on camera.
Leave.
You might give my stuff.
Leave. Okay. Like I said, if you're gonna videotape me, you're gonna be removed. So leave.
Don't fucking touch me.
Leave.
Fucking cocksucking pegs.
Have a good day. Listen.
Fuck you and your fucking die family. Fuck off and die. Fuck off and die.
You'll be notified. You'll be arrested for criminal
trespass. Wait a minute. You can't trespass me on public property unless I committed a crime. So fuck you. I know the fucking law, bitch boy. So fuck off and die.
Have a good day, Mr. Bradley.
Eisenhower. And what's your name? What's your name, Baldy? You fucking dick sucking faggots.